Hi guys, it's Piotr from Photos, and today we'll try to do a mirror reflection like you can see right here. Let's go! Photos. Okay, so the easiest way it's pretty much as follows. Let's just copy our photography. Always the backup. Let's mark our reflection part, which we want to actually make a mirror copy of. Of course, we here have a great ideal perfect straight line on the shore. Now we are creating a mask, and let's just flip this vertically. Just like that. So now it's flipped, and let's just simply attach this accordingly to the bottom of the picture, so it will look at the best as possible. And we pretty much need to simulate water right now. Let's use some filters, blur, and let's use motion blur. It will pretty much spread the pixels around. Let's just find our sweet spot so it won't be that visible. Look at this straight line, it's very straight. It might be a problem, we'll try to fix this later, but this is our first filter. Let's click apply. And now let's go with the ripple effect. Ripple effect again. It's not the best, but pretty much it is pretty useful. Look at that. It's pretty much a circular motion from the central point. It's not perfect, but pretty much for that quick fix, it works wonderful. That's it. Eventually you can additionally just simply blend those two layers together, so the straight line, as you can see, will be a little bit more natural, and the imitation will be a lot better. That's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Leave a share, like, sub, and see you later.